stay motivated, study hard, then only we can reach the goals. Okay, now we can see the courtesy words. Okay, courtesy words used in Hindi. Okay, the first one is बस ठीक है इतना ही काफ़ी है. बस ठीक है इतना ही काफ़ी है. The meaning is enough. It is enough. Okay, while in the occasions, okay, we are serving the food. Okay, in that time we can say that bus itna hi kafi, enough, it is enough, it is enough for me. Okay, then second one, kripaya kast na kare. Okay, kripaya kast na kare, please don't get into trouble. Okay, you are in a risky situation. Okay, you are in a risky situation, so don't get into the trouble. In that time we can say कृपया कष्ट न करे. Then इसमें कोई कष्ट नहीं. इसमें कोई कष्ट नहीं. There is no difficulty at all. Okay, while we are coming from the bazaar, the neighbors are asking something. Okay, we can do for them. We can do for them. In that time we can say that there is no difficulty at all. इसमें कोई कष्ट नहीं. मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. Okay, what can I do for you while we are in the reception. Okay, the reception girls and men are saying that if we are going to enquire something, they can say what can I do for you. Okay, like that. मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. हाजिर हूँ, आज्ञा दीजिए. हाजिर हूँ, आज्ञा दीजिए means awaiting for your order. While we are getting orders from managers, okay, in that time we can say हाजिर हूँ, आज्ञा दीजिए. Then कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं, it's all right. Okay, it's all right. Then आप बुरा तो नहीं मानेंगे. आप बुरा तो नहीं मानेंगे. Please don't mistake me. Okay, if we are doing something, in that time others are asking any questions. Okay, in that time please don't mistake me, I am in a hurry. Okay, in that time we can say that आप बुरा तो नहीं मानेंगे. Then आपने क्यों तकलीफ की. आपने क्यों तकलीफ की. Why, what is your problem. Why, what is your problem. क्या इतना काफ़ी है. Is it enough. Okay, क्या इतना काफ़ी है. Is it enough. Then यह बिल्कुल ठीक है. यह बिल्कुल ठीक है. It is absolutely correct. While asking questions in the classroom, the students are saying the answers. Okay, we can say very good. Okay, nice, excellent. In that time we can occasionally say that it is absolutely correct. Okay, it is absolutely correct. In Hindi we can say it as यह बिल्कुल ठीक है. Okay, once again, बस ठीक है इतना ही काफ़ी है. Okay, enough, it is enough. कृपया कष्ट ना करें. Okay, please don't get into trouble. Then इसमें कोई कष्ट नहीं. There is no difficulty at all. मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. What can I do for you. हाजिर हूँ, आज्ञा दीजिए, awaiting for your order. Then कोई बात नहीं, it's all right. आप बुरा तो नहीं मानेंगे, प्लीज़ डोंट मिस्टेक मी. आपने क्यों तकलीफ की, वाई, व्हाट इज़ योर प्रॉब्लम. क्या इतना काफ़ी है, इज इट एनफ. ओके, यह बिल्कुल ठीक है, it is absolutely correct. Okay, these are the words using courtesy words, used in the time of courtesy. Okay, hope you understand this all things.